Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Pakistan has presented details of how the threats made to the New Zealand cricket team leading to their cancelling the tour emanated from Indian accounts and were part of a conspiracy to damage cricket in the country. Full stop. In a detailed presser, the information minister shared evidence pointing to an elaborate scheme that included fake accounts generating threatening emails using VPNs and other diversionary tactics. Full stop. New paragraph. The minister stated that the chain of events started with a social media post from what he termed as a fake account belonging to the former spokesman of the band TTP, Ehsanullah Ehsan. Full stop. However, in a message widely circulated on various platforms, a man claiming to be Ehsanullah Ehsan said he had indeed posted the message from his genuine account to warn the New Zealand team that there was a threat from the ISK. Full stop. The veracity of the claim is yet to be established. Full stop. The evidence shared by the minister is cause for alarm. Full stop. There is no proof yet that the Indian government may be involved in this conspiracy, but it is fairly clear that some elements in India are responsible for orchestrating the campaign to discredit Pakistan. Full stop. New paragraph. Many may claim this to be a far-fetched idea, but ever since the EU Disinfo Lab's revelations, it is quite evident that such organized smear campaigns against Pakistan have Indian roots. Full stop. It is commendable that the government has taken the matter as seriously as it has and delved deep into cyber investigations to determine the real story behind the threats. Full stop. The New Zealand authorities should have displayed greater responsibility instead of panicking and taking a decision without consulting the hosts. Full stop. New paragraph. Had they done so, Pakistani authorities would have had an opportunity to explain to them how the elaborate scheme behind the threatening emails was part of a larger trend against Pakistan. Full stop. In any case, now that the matter has been unearthed, Pakistan should double its efforts to foil such cyber conspiracies and expose them before they can lead to greater damage. Full stop. It should also engage with all cricket boards to inform them of the orchestrated campaign that led to the hasty decision by the New Zealand team and triggered an equally irresponsible decision by the England Cricket Board. Full stop. The international community should also take note of these vilification campaigns that are launched with ulterior motives to damage Pakistan's global standing. Full stop. The matter should be taken to its logical conclusion. Full stop.